Hi Emma, how's it going today?
Good.
Good. So we're a few weeks into school. I'd love to hear what's been going on in third grade.
So far in third grade, Miss Saya has taught us about, she's taught us four lowercase cursive letters.
Cool.
And the first two were E and H, but I forget what the other ones were because I don't think I was there.
Oh, okay.
And in Mr. Raymond's science class, he took three things, a pencil, a straw, and a knife, and then we stuck them into a potato.
And what happened? That sounds really exciting.
First he stuck the straw in, it went in a little bit, but not too much. Then he put it in the pencil, it went in less than a straw, because as it gets thicker, it's harder to go in. And then the knife went in, it was the same kind of thing as the pencil. As it gets thicker, it's harder to go in.
Oh, that's interesting. Sounds like a really good experiment.
The straw second time with the sum on it, and then he cut off the side the first time, and then it went right through the potato the second time. Because there's no air for the straw to not go through, so it has to go right through the potato.
Wow, sounds like you learned a lot in that experiment. Cool. What have you been doing in math?
We learned about math words the other day, and Mr. Raymond said I couldn't tell the class about what it equals to the math equation word, but in the math video that we watched, it actually said it.
Oh, what was the word?
Product.
Product. And what is a product?
The product is the answer of the multiplication equation.
Wow, that's great that you remember that. Have you been doing anything else exciting in ELA?
We haven't started ELA yet.
Oh, you didn't start yet. Okay. Sounds like you've done a lot of really exciting things. That's great. Have you enjoyed your first few weeks?
Yeah.
Awesome. Great to hear. I can't wait to hear more about it. Hey, Kate. How's your day going?
Good.
Good. So tell me a little bit about fourth grade. We're in the third week of school now. I'd love to hear about what you've been working on.
So we've been working on a lot of cool stuff, but one of my favorites is in science. We've been learning a lot about flowers and how pollination works, and that was pretty cool and fun for me.
Yeah, that's definitely really exciting. What about in ELA? What have you been working on?
ELA, we've been working on a lot of categorizing, and then after we work a little bit more on that, we're going to work on characters and settings and all that good stuff about books.
Cool, that's really exciting. Have you read any good books yet?
Yes, we're keeping track of our books this summer, actually, a little chart. And I read lots of good books, but my favorites was one that my grandma got me from the library.
Oh, cool. What was the name of it?
The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane.
Cool. So you'd recommend it?
Yeah.
Okay, I might have to check it out. What's been going on in math?
In math class, we've been working on rounding, so what you do is the number that you're rounding about, is you underline it, the next number, if it's 5 or more, you add 1 to the underlined digit. If it's 5 or less, you would leave it the same.
Yeah, that's a really good strategy to have. Awesome.
Yeah.
What about anything exciting in social studies?
Social studies. A weird thing about social studies is, so Miss Nolte only teaches science, actually, so we might do social studies sometime early in the year, but we really haven't done social studies yet.
Cool. Awesome. Anything else exciting that's been going on you want to share?
Well, we just had the assembly, which was really nice. I'm excited for the talent show to see if that's coming up.
Yeah, that's going to be really exciting.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The morning meetings and the closing meetings are really fun. She's been reading us a book called The Wild Robot, and that's a really good book, so looking forward to more of that.
Great. So it sounds like your year's off to a great start.
Yep.
Good. All right. I can't wait to check in again soon.
Cool.
All right. Thanks, Kate.
Welcome.
Hi, Grayson. How's everything going today?
Good.
Good. So I think we're in our third week of school now. So tell me a little bit. How's everything going on in fifth grade?
It's going good. I mean, we learn a lot of different stuff every day. Like in ELA, we learn a minimum of 3 big broad things, and then we learn a lot of little things. We have a lot of homework, but I think if you know what you're doing, it's kind of easier.
Great. What's one of the things that you learned in ELA?
Well, today we were learning different vocabulary, like we were reading this book, So we were learning like words about the book. I'm trying to think of one of the words. Like dolled up was one of the words, and a lot of kids didn't know what that meant. My mom says that to me all the time.
Oh,
I was
really?
like, oh yeah, I know what that means.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Cool. What have you been doing in math?
We're doing what's working with fractions and decimals, so like multiplying those and place value and different things like that, and rounding. We're doing a lot of rounding, and we have a different way of doing what's it called? We have a different way of doing a lot of the different math things, like in I think it's called like repeated addition or something.
Yeah,
We do it
so
a
different
little
strategies.
bit differently, and we learned like power of 10, like 10 to the power of 3 and stuff like that. So that's been really cool.
Cool. Anything exciting in science and social studies?
Yeah, we've done some experiments. We're working on liquid and gas, and we've done, I think, like 2 or 3 lessons of social studies where we learned about the United States Constitution, and to do that, we were given paper clips and dice, and we had to make up our own game with nothing, which is kind of how they made the Constitution. They had nothing, and they just had to make it all up.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
What about anything else about school that you wanted to share?
I think it's a lot of fun. I mean, you get to see your friends, and then you do hard work to work towards what you want to do when you grow up, whether it's like being a teacher or a scientist or like pretty much anything. You should go to school because it's really going to help you a lot when you're older and getting into college and all that stuff.
Definitely. Yeah, this was great. I really liked hearing about what's going on in 5th grade. Awesome.
Thanks.